There now follows a ministerial broadcast from the Prime Minister.
From this evening, I must give the British people a very simple instruction. You must stay at home, travelling to and from work, but only where this is absolutely necessary and cannot be done from home.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are well. If you are a new subscriber to the channel, then thank you very much. Thank you, welcome, thanks for joining. And I hope you find this useful and helpful. So, you'll see from the title of this video that it is now, I'm working from home. Office Boy Builder is working from home. And that is because we are about to start our extension. We did our loft conversion a year ago. And if you haven't seen that, then I'll post a video for that up here. But now we are going to be doing the big build. So, let me try and get so you can see it at the sun. So, all the way across the back here, we're going to be extending, and you can see that's the kind of test hole that I did for the foundations. So that's 4.5 meters from the back wall, and we've had full planning permission approved for this, and we're going to be coming all the way from that garage. We're going to knock the garage down, we're going to build some new foundations, and we're going to come all the way out and across like that. So first part of this job for me, next week the groundworks are starting, so going to be digging the foundation holes and pouring some concrete, and we're going to be moving the waste pipes and getting a build over agreement with Thames Water for the sewage pipe that's running there. So I'll show you all of that. First job for me though is to prepare, and so I've got a week now that I've scheduled in to prepare for this. And so what I'm going to start by doing is taking out this chimney stack and scraping off all of the pebble dash, because we're going to have it all rendered. The reason I'm going to the effort of scraping it off rather than just covering over it is because when we put our steels in, I need to put in a cavity wall tray to close the gap between the inner skin of brick and the outer skin of brick. And I can't see where that is, and I don't know how to do that without seeing it. So I have to take off the pebble dash, which is a pain. It's going to be messy and horrible, but it needs to be done. And it also does make it slightly easier for me to take this out. Well, you know, there was a chimney on here that we took out when we did the loft. Now it's time for the rest of that to go. And that's it. That's the start of the job.